Right, in this video I'll be teaching you how to download, set up, and then use your KuCoin app to buy any coin at all. All right, so you go over to Play Store and then download your KuCoin app. Once your KuCoin app is downloaded, look at it here. You download your KuCoin app. Once your KuCoin app is downloaded, you click on it. Now once it's open, now the next thing you do is to log in. You can click on this skip if you don't want all these adverts. So the next thing you do is to log in. Then how do you log in? Once you click on this asset here, if you click on this asset here, they will ask you to either sign up or log in. If you have already signed up before, then you just log in. But if not, just go ahead and sign up. It's not difficult. Put your email and then create a password for yourself. Then you have signed up. Now once you sign up, the first thing you do is you click back to this home. You go back to this home. Once you go back to this home, then you click on this name. This thing will be showing 2 letters of your name. Sorry, this place now. You click on it. All right, once you click on this name, then the next thing you do is to go over, you click on this your name to get verified. If you click on it, you will be asked to put in you do your KYC registration. That is putting your name, your details, then uploading your ID card, a valid ID card. It could be your national ID card or your voter's card. Once it is done, it doesn't take time. They will verify you. Once you are verified, the next thing you do is to go over to this security. You go over to security, you click on security. Once it's open, then the next thing you need to do is to link your phone number. You need to link your phone. So you click on this phone and put in your phone number, then they will send you a code to link it up. Then the next thing you do again is to link your email. Okay, once your email is linked, then the next thing you have to do is to, once you have linked the two of them, the next thing you have to do is to create a trading password. This trading password is very, very important. You click on it and create a trading password for yourself. All right. Then if you want to change your login password, my own is wrote change here because I have already created them. These are the most important thing you do for your KuCoin app. Okay, very, very important. Once this side is set, then the next thing we do is we go over to setting. If you click on this setting, then the setting open, then you can now change this currency, change it to USD. Yes, change it to dollar, or change it to your own currency if you like, but I like using dollar. That is a centralized currency to use. You change it to dollar. Then once you are done, you can change the language to your preferred language. Myself, I prefer English, so you change it to English. That is the only thing you need to do for this. Then the next thing you need to learn now is how to buy or sell a coin. All right, now for those in Nigeria, there's something that is called P2P. Look at this P2P. You can buy a USDT, you can buy dollar through P2P. But those in Nigeria, P2P is banned for those in Nigeria. That is for KuCoin. All right, but if you're not in Nigeria, you click on P2P. Once you click on P2P, you will see those that are willing to sell their coin. You see, these are those that are willing to sell their own in dollar. So change your own to your own country currency. So anywhere you are from, you can just click on it and change it to that. You click on this place and then change it to your own currency. Once you change it to your own currency, you will see people under that your coin that want to sell. Okay, then now let me explain this one now. Now, let me explain this. The first one you are seeing here, 4.47 RM, means that this person want to sell $1 for 4.47 RM. I don't know the currency that is RM anyways. And then the limit he want to sell, he has up to 1,541 cryptocurrency. Then he want to sell just from 2,000 RM to 20,000 RM. That is the explanation here. So you can calculate if what you want to buy is within that range. You go ahead and click on that person. Once the person open, you put the amount of RM you want to buy. You put it here. The amount of RM you want to buy. Okay. Then what do you do? But if you want to buy everything that this guy have, you can just click on this all. You want to buy everything he has. Then you go ahead and click on buy now. If you click on buy now, they will show you the person's account number. You then transfer the money to the person. Then you wait patiently for the person to release your coin. Okay, once the USDT enter your account, let me show you where it will go, where you will see it. You go to this asset, you come back to this asset. If you click on asset, then the place you will see your USDT is on funding and not on trading. Is on funding. So what do? You have to move it from funding to trading for you to be able to do what? To buy or sell the coin. Okay, so let me go over to my trading. Trading is like the market. Before you buy anything, your money should be in the market before you can be able to buy. Why the funding is your home. Your money cannot be at home, then you want to buy something. So once you click on that funding, then the next thing you need to do is to transfer that coin. For example, let's assume that this thing is the US. Okay, now this rat I have here, I'm going to sell it and buy it back. Okay, I have rat and COQ anyways. So this rat here that I have, they are all on my at home, because the home is the funding. This funding is your home. Okay, they are all at home. So if I want to trade them, if I want to sell them, I have to transfer them to the funding. How do you do that? You click on rat, because I want to transfer rat. You will now see transfer here. Look at transfer. Okay, you click on that transfer. Once you click on transfer, it will now open. Once it open, me, I want to sell everything. I'll click on max, because I want to sell everything. If I don't want to sell everything, I will just put the number I want to sell. Maybe I want to sell 897. They'll be showing you how many dollars you want to sell. Look at this one I put in now is around $15. Maybe I want to just sell $15 of it. But if I want to sell everything, I'll click on this max. All right. Sorry about the noise. So I'll click on this map, but let me just sell the $15. So the next thing you do, you confirm it. Once it is confirmed, then it has transferred. Once it has transferred, if you now go back to your trading, you can click on this trading on top here. This trading here, you can click on it, or you go back. You go back and then you will see trading. Or let me click on that trading there. You click on this trading. You see my rat is now here. Once your rat is here, it means that your rat is ready, is now in the market, ready to be sold. Okay, so what do? We are talking about selling now. We'll still talk about buying. What do? You head over to your market. This is the marketplace. Please don't go to this market you are seeing here. Please go to trade. This trade is your marketplace. Don't go to the market, please. I repeat, go to trade. Trade is where you have to trade it. Like trading means like giving somebody your rat to give you dollar. You understand? Or using your dollar to buy what you want. So in this case now, we want to give somebody our rat so that the person can give us dollar. So we'll come to that trade. You click on trade. You click on the trade. Now once the trade open, the first thing you will see here is BTC/USDT. Okay, my own is showing near, because the last time I checked the last time I checked this was near. So it will show you BTC/USDT. So you click on it, then and search that your rats. If I search rats, click on that rats. Okay, now the next thing you do is to change this limit to market. Change this limit to market. You change it to market. Once you change it to market, you head over to the side of sell. We don't want to buy, we want to sell. So I'm going to click on this sell. If I click on this sell, I will tell them I want to sell everything. So I'm going to click on 100%. I want to sell everything. So I click on 100%. You see, it's showing me that I want to sell everything. Then the next thing you do is go ahead and click on sell. Sell rats. Once you click on that sell rat, they will tell you order placed. It has been sold. Now, if you want to check the chart, how the movement is, you click on this place to see the movement of the coin. If you click on it, it will open. This is the chart. This is the movement of the coin. See, why I bought this coin is that it is showing me a candle that is going to push up. I know it will push up. So that is why I bought it. So that one is another course for another day, for another video. So what do you do next? Then you go back to your assets to see what happened there. You click on your asset, come back to this your trading. See, it has changed from rat to USDT. I seen it now. So, but normally once you bought that USDT from P2P, it will be on funding. Then the same way I transfer the rat is the same way you're going to transfer that USDT to come back here. Okay, it will not come back here, the funding. Then you cannot use it to buy any coin you want it to buy. If you want to use it and buy rat, you come back and click on this your trade. Come back and click on trade. It must be on trading. The USDT must be on trading before you go to the trade. It must be on trading. Sorry, it must be on trading. Okay, so you click on the trade. You click on trade. Then I am having rats here because that is the last thing I traded with. So this time around, I am going over to what? To buy. Okay. Make sure that this place is written market. If it is written any other thing, please change it to market. Okay. Then you click all. I want to buy everything. So I'm going to click. Okay, I'm in the side of buy. Sorry. Then I can now click 100% that I want to buy everything. I'll click 100% and then click buy rats. Okay. I will now buy my rats. Now, sometimes they will ask you to put in your trading password as you're about to sell or buy. So you remember the trading password like I taught you before. You have to put in that trading password. Once you put in that trading password, you are good to go. All right. So that is how to buy and sell. Now, immediately you have bought it, it is still in the market. You have to push it back home. How do you push it back home? By transferring it. So you click on the rat. Once the rat open, you click on transfer. See transfer here. You click on transfer. Then tell them I want to transfer everything. I want to transfer everything. So I'll click on max. I want to transfer everything, max. Then you click on confirm. Then it has transferred. That is just how to buy and sell coin on KuCoin app. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and comment. Bye bye.